who are with
Okay,
you.
magandang hapon sa inyo. Ngayon ang oras ay alas 3 na, alas 3:04. Sa tingin ko, ang Justice Committee is about to vote kung may probable cause ba ang threat against the President by the Vice President. So, ongoing at maya-maya din siguro mag-vote na sila kung yung kapuhan ng mga ano ay i-send ba sa plenary. Okay, so I suggest yung mga interesado manood na at para makita nyo paano ang Justice Committee mag-decide ngayon.
We have concluded already our deliberations on the allegations of threat and destabilization. We anticipate the committee to decide on whether or not we will be determining the existence or non-existence of the probable cause now. But before we go to that, let me direct again the COMSEC. Please call the Vice President for the 4th time.
May the committee know if the respondent, Vice President Sara C. Duterte, is present in today's hearing? The respondent, Vice President Sara C. Duterte, is not present in today's hearing.
Let it be placed on record that the committee secretary called for the 4th time Respondent Vice President. And to this hour, she continues to be not around in our proceeding today. The same is for our intention to cater to the Vice President the continuing opportunity to present.
So, mayroong isang kongresista nag-request na next meeting na, next hearing session na mag-decide sila kung may probable cause ba itong threat. Para kayo na mismo magtingin, I encourage you to makahabol kayo ongoing pa.
Respect to the chair and to my colleagues, this is my humble submission. Hindi lang sapat na tama ang proseso. Dapat malinaw sa lahat ng Pilipino na naging sapat at patas ito. Madam Chair, considering the weight of the evidence and testimonies presented in the previous hearings, I think it would be prudent for us, in the interest of fairness, and to afford the Vice President every avenue for due process, to extend by one additional hearing date.
For the Vice President or any representative to appear. And although that